So anyone who's ever done business in California knows that it's probably one of the most complex, regulated states in the nation. And while we love living here and think it's one of the greatest states in the nation, it does come with challenges. And so what I like to do is to act as someone who is your counsel, someone who's looking out for you. It's impossible to know all of the laws. They change all the time, especially in times of emergency. There may be emergency orders all the time. And so what we're doing here at the Grady Firm is monitoring that, distributing the information, and sharing it with our clients. So one way we help them is by prospectively telling them the information. For example, maybe a new law happened like AB 5, which would be reclassifying independent contractors as employees. So we disseminate that information, we do webinars, we do videos, we do one-on-one conversations with our clients to make sure that they are following the law. And we would go ahead and do an analysis of the law, and we would compare it to the facts of the case, and then we would give a recommendation. And so this also comes up in areas such as hiring, firing, or termination. Termination can be a landmine often because there can be lawsuits for wage and hour disputes or discrimination. And so what we would do is, on the front end, is meet with the employer, figure out, is this a fair termination? If not, is there something else we should do, like a performance review or performance improvement plan? And then if we do feel like that it's a legal termination, we would go ahead and prepare a severance agreement, prepare that termination paperwork. And it's really counseling and planning so that everybody feels good. Some of the most complicated times are when someone is terminated and they're blindsided and they didn't see it coming. That's when they're going to go ahead and call an attorney. And so what we like to do is make sure that everybody understands what's expected of them and can either move on with a clean slate if they need to. They may understand the reason for this termination.